How do I import a module given the full path? How do I load a Python module given its full path? Note that the file can be anywhere in the file system where the user has access rights.
For Python 3.5 plus use docs. For Python 3.3 and 3.4 use. Although this has been deprecated in Python 3.4. For Python 2 use. There are equivalent convenience functions for compiled Python files and DLLs. See also this URL.
The advantage of adding a path to sys.path, over using emp, is that it simplifies things when importing more than one module from a single package. For example,
to import your module, you need to add its directory to the environment variable, either temporarily or permanently. Temporarily. Permanently. Adding the following line to your .bashrc, or alternative, file in Linux and execute source, .bashrc, or alternative, in the terminal. Credit/source, SA, another Stack Exchange question.
If your top-level module is not a file but is packaged as a directory with _init_.py, then the accepted solution almost works, but not quite. In Python 3.5 plus the following code is needed. Note the added line that begins with sys.modules. Without this line, when exec_module is executed, it tries to bind relative imports in your top-level _init_.py to the top-level module name, in this case mymodule. But mymodule isn't loaded yet, so you'll get the error system error, parent module mymodule not loaded, cannot perform relative import. So you need to bind the name before you load it. The reason for this is the fundamental invariant of the relative import system. The invariant holding is that if you have sys.modules spam, and sys.modules spam.foo, as you would after the above import, the latter must appear as the foo attribute of the former as discussed here.
Joe, danke Henry. Der Hacker kann Schuberts